All right, good evening to you from the Storm Alert Weather Center. This is lead forecaster Daniel Wilson as we look at severe weather that's approaching the Lake Cumberland Green River area. It's about 9:38 Central Time, 10:38 on the Eastern Time Zone. We're still seeing this line of showers and thunderstorms that's in parts of Kentucky. Right now, the strongest area that we're seeing is right around the Richmond, Kentucky region. There's severe thunderstorm warnings there. Elizabethtown up through Madisonville, Edmonton County should be under the gun soon as these storms continue to move through south of Lexington, between Lexington, Richmond, Berea. Large hail. Had reports of ping pong ball sized hail in Danville earlier, and this is continuing to develop. Storms moving into Springfield, Lebanon, the Raywick region over in Marion and Washington County. That would be in kind of north central Kentucky. And we're watching cells that will be moving from E-Town into Hodgensville. Already storm warnings there. And if you'll go outside, even though the storms are probably 75, maybe 100 nautical miles away, you can go outside now and see that lightning in the distance. Now, that's not heat lightning. A lot of people are, they get confused about that, and they think that, well, we're seeing heat lightning. The lightning that you're seeing here in the Lake Cumberland area is from the storms in Richmond and Danville area. The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a severe thunderstorm watch, and that includes a good part of south central and southeastern Kentucky, mainly a line from Jackson to the south, near Millsboro, Bell County, Harlan, right over the Daniel Boone Parkway, 75 corridor into Russell, Adair, Pulaski, Wayne, Clinton, and Cumberland, and to the west, mainly to the south of the Louis Dunn Cumberland Expressway and Bowling Green. We have a severe thunderstorm watch that is in effect until 3 a.m. Central Time on Monday morning. Could have a couple of tornadoes, scattered hail, up to ping pong ball size as possible, and we could see scattered wind gusts up to 70 miles per hour. So we're still a little bit ways out of seeing the storms move into this region. It looks like probably by 11 o'clock, they should be moving closer into the Lake Cumberland area. As you can see, the storms that are developing are now around the 65 highway, or Interstate 65, between E-Town and Hodgensville, and they're continuing to make their southeastward track. We're really watching the storms. Of course, it's out of our coverage area up in Richmond, up in Madison County. Significant severe thunderstorm that is now underway there. They've already issued a warning out ahead of that in the Irvine community of Estill County, and then Danville, Boyle County under a severe thunderstorm warning. All of those are moving away from us. They're not going to be impacting us, but the ones that we do see that could have a potential are the ones in E-Town, the ones back to the west between Hartford and Beaver Dam up in Litchfield, over in Grayson County. And as you see, the track of those storms are moving to the east, southeast. And we're very likely to see severe weather later on. We do have a severe thunderstorm watch. Again, that watch is in effect until until 4 a.m.
Northeastern Lincoln County, southeastern Mercer County.
All right, so now we have a severe thunderstorm warning for Lincoln County. Severe thunderstorm warning now for Lincoln County. We're not going to dwell on those counties where that's kind of out of our coverage area, and it becomes difficult to cover the entire state. So if you are in Lincoln County, that's this cluster of thunderstorms that's stretching from just to the south of Fayette County, Lexington, to around Danville, and even a little cell in the northern part of Casey County. So heads up, if you are, even if you're in Greene and Taylor County, we're watching this thunderstorm as it moves out of E-Town into Hodgensville along Highway 31. We're watching that cell very closely, and from the latest information we have as far as special weather statements, we'll look at some of those that have been issued by the Weather Service. A storm just to the north of Horse Cave that would be impacting Greene and Taylor County. Again, this is not a severe thunderstorm warning. Campbellsville, Bonneville, those are the areas for this strong thunderstorm that is developing. Up to 40 miles per hour wind gust is possible, but that's only a special weather statement. Right now, no warnings in effect for any of our coverage area, which would be Russell and surrounding counties. We do have numerous severe thunderstorm warnings that are in effect. And once again, we would remind folks to be weather aware for this evening. Fireworks, if you need them, have fireworks over Lake Cumberland, East Highway 80 beside the Save-A-Lot and Moore's Cabinets. If you need fireworks for the 4th, you need to go to Fireworks over Lake Cumberland. Don't pay the big tent prices. So that's going to wrap it up for severe weather coverage right now. We will be here throughout the evening. Myself and storm anchor Keith Richardson bringing you the latest in weather information, latest watches and warnings as they are issued by the Weather Service in Louisville. So thank you all for joining us. We will continue to watch the weather, keep you updated and informed the best we can, and make sure you hit the share button, tell people to switch over to us. We've got all your weather information, what you need to know now, at the Storm Alert Center, your weather authority for the Lake Cumberland